Have you ever dreamed of soaring through the clouds, capturing the world from a bird's eye view? Well, with the advancements in drone technology, that dream is now a reality. But with so many DJI drones on the market, choosing the perfect one can feel overwhelming. Fear not, fellow aerial enthusiasts. In this comprehensive guide, we'll unveil the top 5 DJI drones of 2024, dissecting their strengths, weaknesses, and ideal uses. Links of these DJI drones will be included in the description below. We'll be dissecting each drone in detail, analyzing its features, camera capabilities, flight performance, and target audience. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to make an informed decision and choose the DJI drone that perfectly aligns with your aerial aspirations. Number 1. DJI Mini4 Pro. First up, we have the DJI Mini4 Pro. Don't let its size fool you. This little powerhouse packs a serious punch, making it a fantastic option for beginners and travel enthusiasts. Here's what makes the Mini4 Pro a champion. Ultra lightweight design, under 250 grams. This translates to exceptional portability and compliance with most drone regulations, allowing you to fly freely in many areas without needing special permits. Extended flight time, up to 30 minutes. Capture more in a single flight, giving you ample time to explore and experiment. Superior obstacle avoidance. The Mini4 Pro features a tri-directional obstacle sensing system, keeping you and your drone safe during flights. Stunning 4K camera. Shoot high-quality footage with incredible detail, perfect for capturing those breathtaking aerial views. However, the Mini4 Pro does have a few limitations. Due to its size, it might not handle strong winds as well as some of its larger counterparts. Additionally, the camera doesn't offer the same level of zoom capabilities as some higher-end models. Overall, the DJI Mini4 Pro is a fantastic choice for beginners, budget-conscious flyers, and travel enthusiasts who crave a portable and feature-packed drone. Number 2. DJI Mini3. Following the Mini4 Pro, we have the DJI Mini3. This drone is all about affordability without sacrificing too much on quality. Here's why the Mini3 might be your perfect companion. Lightweight and travel-friendly, under 249 grams. Similar to the Mini4 Pro, the Mini3 boasts exceptional portability and regulation compliance, making it ideal for globetrotters. Excellent image quality. Capture stunning aerial photos and videos in 4K HDR, perfect for showcasing your adventures. More affordable. Compared to the Mini4 Pro, the Mini3 offers a more budget-friendly option for those getting started with drone photography. However, it's important to consider the trade-offs. The Mini3 lacks the advanced obstacle avoidance system of the Mini4 Pro. Additionally, the flight time is slightly shorter, clocking in at around 40 minutes compared to the Mini4 Pro's 30 minutes. For pilots who are comfortable with manual flying and prioritize affordability, the DJI Mini3 is an excellent choice. It delivers exceptional image quality in a compact and travel-friendly package. Number 3. DJI Air 3. Now, let's shift gears and take a look at the DJI Air 3. This mid-weight drone strikes a perfect balance between portability and power, making it a versatile option for a variety of pilots. Here's what elevates the Air 3. Exceptional image quality. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor and a variety of intelligent shooting modes, the Air 3 captures stunningly detailed aerial footage. Excellent obstacle avoidance. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance ensures a safe and stress-free flying experience, even for those new to piloting drones. Extended flight time. Enjoy up to 46 minutes of flight time, giving you ample opportunity to explore and capture breathtaking shots. Compact and portable design. While slightly larger than the Mini series, the Air 3 remains conveniently portable for travel and on-the-go adventures. There are a few things to consider with the Air 3. It falls into a higher weight category compared to the Minis, so you might need to check local regulations before flying in certain areas. Additionally, the price point is slightly steeper than the Mini series. Overall, the DJI Air 3 is a fantastic all-rounder for content creators, photographers, and pilots who demand a balance of portability, power, and image quality. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Now, we enter the realm of professional-grade drones. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the undisputed king of cinematic skies, offering unparalleled features for those who demand the absolute best. Let's explore why. Legendary Hasselblad camera. Equipped with the Hasselblad L2 D20C camera, the Mavic 3 Pro delivers professional-grade image quality with stunning detail and color accuracy. 4K/120fps video recording. Capture incredibly smooth and slow-motion footage, perfect for creating cinematic masterpieces. Asterisk omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Fly with confidence thanks to the Mavic 3 Pro's advanced obstacle avoidance system that detects and avoids objects in all directions. Asterisk extended flight time. Enjoy up to 46 minutes of flight time, allowing you to capture complex aerial shots with ease. The Mavic 3 Pro is undeniably a top-of-the-line drone, but it comes with a premium price tag. Additionally, its size and weight might require adherence to stricter regulations in some areas. For professional photographers, videographers, and content creators who demand the absolute best in image quality, flight performance, and features, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro reigns supreme. Number 5. DJI Avada. Calling all adrenaline junkies. The DJI Avada is unlike any other drone on this list. This first-person view FPV drone lets you experience the world through the drone's eyes, offering an unparalleled flying experience. Hold on tight as we dive into the Avada's unique features. Asterisk immersive FPV flight. Goggles and a motion controller provide a truly immersive experience, making you feel like you're soaring through the air. Asterisk compact and agile design. The Avada's small size and built-in propeller guards make it perfect for navigating tight spaces and performing acrobatic maneuvers. Asterisk excellent image quality. Despite its compact size, the Avada boasts a high-quality camera that captures stunning 4K footage, allowing you to relive your FPV adventures in detail. The Avada is all about pushing the boundaries of flight. However, keep in mind that FPV flying requires practice and can have a steeper learning curve compared to traditional drone piloting. Additionally, the goggles and motion controller are sold separately, adding to the overall cost. For pilots seeking an adrenaline-pumping and immersive flying experience, the DJI Avada is a revolutionary choice. It's perfect for capturing unique FPV footage and pushing the boundaries of aerial exploration. Alright, we've reached the final leg of our journey. Now that you've explored the top 5 DJI drones of 2024, it's time to choose your perfect companion. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the top DJI drones. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more drone content. Until next time, happy flying!